members were here. We thought about revolutionizing our operations here. We cannot consistently just be renting our spaces. The day that everybody gets tired of you and move, then what they have is the company dies. We must reinvent our operations here. We must innovate. This is supposed to be an innovation hub. So we thought it wise to go out there and change the narrative. And it's been happening over a period of, say, 7 to 8 months. And today I can proudly say that we've been able to clock our first BPO project with the Ghana National Identification Authority, who have agreed to partner us to roll out the first ever 24 hours, 7 days a week prestige service of the NIA. Aside their district offices and the previously run premium service that they were doing, that is from 8 to 5 p.m. they close. Now what we are coming to do is an enhanced service where you can come in at any time of the day, any time of the week, Monday to Monday, and have your Ghana card done. We are looking at a turnout time between 15 to 20 minutes maximum. You should be served in the comfort of our prestige service center that we are putting together. Unfortunately, it is not done yet, so we will be able to take you on a tour there. But when we are about to commission it, you will be the first to be invited to cover the commissioning. That represents the transformation that is taking place. That represents the innovation of the team here, that we need to reinvent. You can't be doing business as usual. So in a few weeks, maximum, seeing to the end of February, we will be rolling out the prestige service, where you can sit at the comfort of your home and go online, as have been provided by the NIA themselves, and start the process. Once the process is completed online, you just walk in here. That will even take you 10 minutes to have your Ghana card processed and issued to you. That is the transformation we are talking about. There are 2 other pipeline projects that I'm unable to speak to because of confidentiality issues, but we are still discussing them. Those projects, when we roll them out, we then turn our hub into a fully functioning 24-hour center where you can come in the middle of the night, in the wee hours of the morning, anytime, to ensure that you do whatever service you want to do. That is what the Ghana Digital Center or centers is supposed to represent.